Hello, today I'm going to show you the double action of your visor on a motorcycle helmet, in this case the X-803 helmet. The defogging function. While wearing the helmet, open the visor onto the first click and press the button on the upper side, and as you can see there is a mechanical device or feature that makes a little bit you either open, and this will make a defog inside your helmet. Good job. This is number one, the double action. But now it's visor-lock function. While wearing the helmet, close the visor and press a button on the downside. And then it is locked. The visor is locked. You cannot open or close the visor. This is important if you are going by bicycle fast, and this will lock your visor. These are the two options of the double action. Yeah, in the neutral position, all visor options are available. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. See you next time. Soon. Yeah, double action. One button, three options. Neutral, up and down. Good job. This is neutral. Soon.